Hi, my name is Pam. I'm from Staten Island. Having a little bit of trouble talking, but not as bad as before the teeth went in. I couldn't talk at all then. I've just gotten my teeth. I'm in absolutely no pain for the first time, gosh, in about 2 years. I couldn't eat. I had a full denture on top, and root canals on one side, complete emptiness. The bottom was just horrible. Hadn't gone out of the house in a good year and a half. Took me a long time, well, actually not too long, I guess a couple of months, to finally make the decision to come here and get this done. A lot of reasons why I picked here, financial being the main one, and just good vibes about the whole thing. And it turned out it was the greatest thing in the world. The people here are just so great. They made me feel so comfortable. And the process was so major easy, I don't even know what I was worried about. I mean, going to get a filling was 1,000 times worse than this. This is nothing. And again, no pain. My tongue keeps like looking for pain, and it's just not there. It's anything you have to do to get it done. If you are experiencing anything near what I was, do it.